won't be hungry for this for a while.
It was fantastious.
Pura mantequilla. Bueno.
Like to share with me? Absolutely. Not the sharing I had in mind.
Floor. Again. Compliments to the chef. To complete the department. Not. Dog. Well, at least we got something out of all of this. Forget what happened to Coley. Hey, but... We had one of those masks like he does! Hold your breath! I'm delicious!
Find out what...
It's right. What's that now?
Shadow.
And... And about... Oh. It's a chocolate. Did I have salami last night? There must be someone on it.
Because then you won't be wanted at her birthday party.
I am sick of you.
Careful! That was some of my best belching. I gave her the... And the classic... Oh, smells like you had Stench toast for breakfast.
बस वरमंगल जैसे दूसरे शैतान वहाँ मौजूद ना हो जो